Okay, students, in this video, I will demonstrate how to find the solutions of this past paper for those students in A-level class mathematics. This past paper, November 2021, number 11, mathematics, pure mathematics 1. Okay, let's begin with number 1. Expand 1 minus 1 over 2x squared. According to quadratic equation rule, it becomes 1 minus 2 over 2x plus 1 over 4x squared. Or we may simplify, becomes 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 over 4x squared. This one. 1b. Find the first 4 terms in the expansion in ascending powers of x of 1 plus 2x power 6. Okay, 4 terms. According to binomial expansion rule, to expand this term, it becomes 1 plus nx, it means 6 times 2x plus 6 times 5 divided by 2 factorials times 2x squared plus 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 factorials times 2x cubed. And next, it becomes 1 plus 12x plus 30, 15 by y times 4, 60. X squared plus divided equal 1, 20 times 8, 160 x cubed. All right. C. Hence, find the coefficients of x in expansions of 1 minus 1 over 2x squared times 1 plus 2x over 6. So we will multiply these expressions and these expressions. I'm going to writing 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 over 4x squared times 1 plus 12x (60x squared) 160x cubed. Next, 4 coefficient of x. It means 1 times 12x. 12x, and this one, negative 1 over x times 60x squared. Negative 60x, and this one, 1 over 4x squared times 160x cubed becomes 40x. And if you calculate, it becomes negative x. Yeah. So the coefficient x equal negative 8. Number 2, a curve has equations y equal kx squared plus 2x minus k, and a line has equation y equal kx minus 2, where k is a constant. Find the set of values of k for which the curve and line do not intersect. It means if this is a curve and this is a straight line, if the condition like this, it means the implication determinant less than 0. So for this equation, we will substitute kx minus 2 into this equation. It is y kx squared plus 2x minus k equal kx minus 2. So kx squared plus 2x minus kx plus 2 equals 0. Kx squared plus 2 minus k x minus k plus 2 equals 0. So k, A equal k, b equal 2 minus k, and c equal negative k plus 2. D equal d less than 0, it means b squared minus 4ac less than 0, meaning 2 minus k squared, okay, minus 4k times negative k plus 2 less than 0. It becomes 4 minus 4k plus k squared plus 4k squared minus 8k less than 0. And it becomes 5k squared minus 12k plus 4 less than 0. And it becomes factorization. I think this between 5 and k minus 5k. I'm gonna write thing minus 5k and minus k plus 2 here. Okay. Afterwards, for this term, k becomes 2/5 because we're gonna find the solution through number lines, and k 2 number line 2/5 here and 2 here. If we examine one between 2/5 and 2, 1 into these equations, this inequality, I mean, it means negative 5 plus 2 times negative 1 plus 2 negative 3, I think, less than 0. Correct. So it means the solution is area. Okay. Greater than 2/5, less than 2. So the solution, okay, greater than 2/5, less than 2. This is the solution for number 2. Okay. This one, solved by factorizing the equation. Okay, 6 cos theta tan theta minus 3 cos theta plus 4 tan theta minus 2 equals 0 for theta between 0 and 180 degrees. Okay. The factorization 3 cos theta times 2 tan theta minus 1 plus 2 times 2 tan theta 1 equals 0. It means 3 cos theta plus 2 times 2 tan theta 1 equals 0. So it becomes cos theta equal negative 2/3. And for this one, tan theta equal half this. Okay. So how to find theta for this one? Our cosine theta cos power negative 1 through calculator. We may found theta equal through calculator 26.6, and for this one tan to the power negative 1 through calculator. In the calculator this equal 131. Okay, this is the solution for number 3. For the first term of an arithmetic progression is a, and the count difference is negative 4. The first term of a geometric progression is 5a, and the common ratio is negative a quarter. The sum to infinity of the geometric progression is equal to the sum of the first 8 terms of the arithmetic progressions. Find the value of a. Oh, it means you need to find S infinity, this one. S infinity equal 5a minus 1 minus quarter. It means 1 plus a quarter. 5a over 5/4 equal 5a times 4/5 equal 4a. Next, for arithmetic progression, it becomes a half of 8. It becomes 4 times 2a plus 8 minus 1 equals 7. 7 times -4, the common difference. And it's going to be 4 times 2a minus 28. 8a minus 112. Okay. Is equal. Yeah, is equal. It means S infinity equal S8. So it means 4a equal 8a minus 112. Yeah, or negative 4a equal negative 112. A equal negative 112 divided by negative 4 equals 28. The k term of the arithmetic progression is 0. Okay. Find the value of k. For arithmetic progressions, un equal a plus n minus 1 times common difference. So uk in k term, it becomes 28 plus k minus 1 times negative 4 equals 0. So 28 minus 4k plus 4 equals 0. So 4k equal 32. K equal 8. Yeah, so k equal 8. That's the solution. Next, for number 5. The diagram shows part of the graph of y equal a cos bx plus c. Okay, this graph. Okay, find the values of the positive integers a, b, and c. Okay, now for a, to find a equal the maximum of y equal negative 8 and the minimum for negative 2. So 8 minus negative 2. Okay, this is the maximum and the minimum negative 2 divided by 2 equal 10 divided by 2 equal 5. And how about b? For b, 1 period equal 2 pi for b. 1 period, okay, 1 period equal pi. Pi equal to pi over b. So b equal to pi over pi or 2. C equal, and if a equal if a 8 minus negative 2, c 8 plus negative 2 by 2 equal 6 by 2 equal 3. That's fine. Next, for number 5, b. For this values AB of A, B, and C, use the given diagram to determine the number of solutions in the interval x between 0 and 2 pi for each of the following equations. Okay, if the equation like this, it means y equal 6 over pi x. If x equals 0, it means y equal 0. It's origin. Okay, so if x equal pi, y equal 6. This one. Okay, and if we connecting this point and point, and is this origin, yeah, we're gonna find the straight line, and you know that the solutions, the number of solutions of these equations is the intercept point. How many intercept point between the straight line and this graph? This one. So there is 1, 2, 3. 3 intercept point. It means the solution, the number of solutions equal 3. Okay. So about this one? For B double I, it means y equal 6 minus 6 over pi x. If x equals 0, y equal 0, y equals 6. Yeah, this coordinate point. And so how about if x equal pi? If x equal pi, y equal 0. Yeah, this coordinate point. And if you're connecting this coordinate point and this coordinate point, you're gonna find the straight line like this. And look, there is 2 intercept point. 2 intersection this, it means the solution, the number of solutions of this equation is equal to this one. Yeah. Next, number 6. The diagram shows a metal plate ABC in which the sides are the straight line AB and the arcs AC and BC. Now, the line AB has length 6 centimeters. Yeah, it means, yeah, the arc AC is part of a circle with center B and radius 6 centimeters. Yeah, it means the straight line BC equals 6 centimeters, and the arc BC is part of the circle with center A and radius 6 centimeters. Oh yeah, it means supposed to be there is a circle with center B and another circle with center A, and those radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, find the perimeter of the plate, giving your answer in terms of pi. Firstly, we need to draw a straight line. One, radius, the radius equals 6. Okay, 6, the radius. Look, this triangle, it means the implications, this angle is 60, 60, 60. Yeah, 60 degrees. Okay. Now let me calculate arc BC, but firstly we need to find area of circle. Okay, area of circle. Okay, area of circle. The perimeter, I mean, with the perimeter, but not area, not yet, because the perimeter, the question is perimeter, the perimeter of circle, equal 2 pi r, okay, or 12 pi. This perimeter of circle. And afterward, this arc BC, okay, for arc BC equal arc AC. Okay, equal RBC equal AC equal 60. 60 over 360 times 12 pi equal 16 times 12 pi equal 2 pi. Okay, that's one. So perimeter, the perimeter ABC equal 6 plus 2 pi, 6 centimeters, I mean 2 pi plus 2 pi equal 6 plus 4 pi. Yeah, this one. Okay, next, for B, find the area of the plate giving your answer in terms of pi and square root 3. Okay, if I sketch the plate like this, okay, and it is the triangle, okay, ABC, okay. Firstly, we need to calculate area of circle equal pi r squared. Pi r squared, it means 36. 36 pi. Okay, and now we will calculate the sector ABC. Sector ABC, I will coloring this sector. This is sector ABC. Okay, sector ABC. Okay, sector ABC. Sector ABC equal 60 over 360 times 36 pi. Okay, this 6, it means 6 pi. Okay, that's sector ABC. Now we are going to find area of this triangle. Area of this triangle ABC, according to the sine rule, a half times AB times AC times sine 60. And it becomes a half times 6 times 6. This is multiplication times a half square root 3. 3 times 3, 9 square root 3. Okay. And next for segment BC. Segment BC equals segment AC. Which one segment? Segment is one. We'll call it segment, or segment this one. Segment is one. This area. Okay, this area is segment BC. And this area segment AC. Okay, so segment BC equals segment AC equal sector ABC minus triangle, area triangle ABC equal 6 pi minus 9 square root 3. That. Okay, this is a segment BC and AC. Now, area of plate equal, area of plate equal sector sector ABC plus segment AC. Okay, and it becomes 6 pi 6 pi plus 6 pi minus 9 square root 3, and it becomes 12 pi minus 9 square root 3. This one, the solutions. Okay. And next, for number 7, a circle with center 5, 2 passes through the point 7, 5. Find n equations of the circle. Firstly, we need to determine r squared, the radius, equal 7 minus 5 squared plus 5 minus 2 squared equal 2 squared plus 3 squared equal 13. Okay, so it means the equation x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal 13. The line y equal 5x minus 10 intersects the circle at A and B. Find the exact length of the chord AB. Okay, I'm going to show you if the circle with the chord AB like this, AB. Okay, so we're going to calculate the length of this line segment AB. Okay, recall that the circle equation x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal 13. It means x minus 5 squared plus 5x minus 10. Okay, we will substitute 5x minus 10 into y, this y. So it means 5x minus 12, because 10 minus 2 squared. So it's going to be x squared minus 10x plus 25 25x squared minus 120x plus 144 minus 13 equals 0. Okay. It becomes 26 x squared minus 130 x and 20 minus 20 plus 25 plus 100, 44 minus 13 equal 156. Okay. Okay, divided by 13. Simplify it by 13 becomes 10x 2x squared plus by 13 becomes 12. Okay, or divided by 2. If divided by 2, it becomes x squared 5x plus 6 equals 0. And factorize x minus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. So it means x equal 2, x equal 3. Okay. I'm going to find y first. According to this equation, y equal 5x minus 10. So y1 equal 5 times 2. 10 equals 0. And the coordinate point 2 and 0. y2 equal 5 times 3 minus 10 equal 5. Becomes 3 and 5. Okay. Now the length AB equal square root 3 minus 2. Okay. 3 minus 2 squared. 3 minus 2 squared plus 5 minus 0 squared whole square root 1 plus 25, 26. Yeah, this is the solution. Next for number 8a. For number 8a, express negative 3x squared plus 12x plus 2 in the form negative 3x minus a squared plus b, where a and b are constant. Okay, negative 3x squared plus 12x plus 2 equal negative 3 times x squared minus 4x plus 2. Negative 3 x minus 2, I think, squared plus 2. But we have to add with negative 3 times 4, yeah, 12. And it's going to be negative 3 x minus 2 squared plus 14. Yeah. So the one function f is defined by f(x) negative 3x squared plus 12x plus 2 for x less than or equal k. State the largest possible value of the constant k. Look at x minus 2. Okay, if x minus 2, it means maybe x equal 2, the largest possible, but we have to check first. We have to examine whether 2 1 or 3. Okay, if x equal 2, below of x, okay, and larger or greater than 2, yeah, that's 3. Okay, if x equal 1, fx, yeah, if x equal 1, it's 1, negative 3 times 1 plus 12 times 1 plus 2 equal 11 here. How about if 2? If 2, 4 plus 24 plus 2 equal 14. If 3, 9 plus 36 plus 2, 11. So of course, so the largest possible value of the equation k equal this one. So the answer is 2. Okay. Next, it is now given that k equal negative 1. State the range of f. Okay. The range of x, it means x must be less than or equal negative 1. So it means f negative 1 equal that fx equal negative 3 x minus 2 squared plus 14. Okay. So if f negative 1, it means negative 3 times negative 3 squared plus 14. And it becomes negative 3 times negative 27. 14 or negative 13. So fx, the fx x must less than or equal negative 13. This one. Find an expressions. This is for the range. Find expressions for. We're gonna find the inverse of fx. I write this function y equal negative 3 times x minus 2 squared plus 14. If I will arrange, becomes y minus 14 negative 3 x minus 2 squared. Now times, if times negative 1, this term times negative 1 and this term times negative 1, it becomes 14 minus y equal 3 times x minus 2 squared, okay, or x minus 2 squared equal 14 minus y over 3, like this. I'm gonna move to this space. So x minus 2 equal square root 14 minus y over 3. X equal 2 plus minus square root 14 minus x over 3. Yeah, because the value of this square root equal plus or minus. Okay, now the inverse, the inverse of fx equal 2 plus minus square root of 14 minus x over 3. Now we're gonna determine whether plus or minus. Okay, look that x equal the domain x equal -1 for fx and fx for the range fx -13. Okay, so it means for the inverse, also the range is negative. The range are negative numbers. Yeah. If negative numbers, impossible if the solutions, if the inverse 2 plus. Yeah, impossible. Yeah, for the range negative numbers, it means must be 2 minus square root 14 minus x over 3. This is the solution. Okay, next. The result of translating the graph of y equal fx by these translations, -3 and 1, is the graph of y equal gx. X plus gx in the form px squared plus qx plus r, where p, q, and r are constants. Okay, it means gx. Okay, gx equal f in brackets x plus 3x plus 3 function. Okay, plus 1. Recall that fx equal -3 times x minus 2, okay, squared plus 14. Okay, this fx. So it means if fx plus 3, it becomes -3, okay, times x plus 3 minus 2, it means x plus 1. Okay, squared plus 14 plus 1. And it's going to be -3 x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 15. And it becomes -3x squared plus, minus, because -3 times 2, 3 times 2, -6x, -3 plus 15, and -3x squared, -6x plus 12. Okay, so the final answer of A is 1, -3x squared minus 6x plus 12. Now let's move to number 9. A curve has equations y equal fx, and it's given that first derivative to x squared minus 7 minus 4 over x squared, given that f1 equal -1/3. Find fx. All right, to find fx, we have to find the integral of this function, integral to x squared minus 7 minus 4x to the power negative 2 dx. Okay, and it becomes x cubed 2/3 7x if negative 2, yeah, plus 4x or negative 1 plus c. F1 equal 2/3 times 1 cube 7 times 1 plus 4 1 1 plus c equal negative 1/3, and it becomes 2/3 minus 7 plus 4 plus c equal negative 1/3, and c equal negative 1/3 minus 2/3, negative 7 plus 4, negative 3 plus 3 here. Okay, and it's going to be negative 3/3 plus 3 equal 2. Okay, so meaning fx equal 2x. Oh, yeah, 2/3. I mean 2/3. Yeah, fx equal 2/3 x cubed minus 7x plus 4 over x plus 2. This fx. Now find the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve. We're going to find the coordinates point of stationary. We're going to find the coordinates of the stationary points if first derivative equals 0. Okay, if first derivative equals 0, it means 2x squared yeah 2x squared how much is now 2x squared minus 7 after minus 7 minus 4 over x squared equal 0. I will multiply by x squared. X squared gonna be 2x to the power 4 minus 7x squared minus 4 equal 0. Afterwards, factorize. Okay. If factorize, you're gonna find the factorization to x. Wait, yeah, to x squared x squared and for 1 negative 4 plus 1 negative 4 x plus 1, yeah, sorry, yeah. So for this term, it's going to be 2x squared equal minus 1. So we don't need to find x through these terms because x will be negative, will be square root negative one, negative numbers. So we will find x through this term. X squared equal 4. So x equals square root 4 plus n minus 2. Okay. Now, if x equal 2, if x equal 2, it means f2, okay, substitute 2 into fx. Recall that fx, fx equal 2/3 x cubed minus 7x, okay, minus 4 over x, plus, I think plus, because this one it becomes n plus 2, c equal 2. It means it becomes 2/3 times 8 minus 7 times 2, 14, plus 2 plus 2, okay, equal 16/3, okay, minus 10. 16/3 minus 30/3, negative 14/3. Okay, so it means the stationary points, the coordinate of stationary points 2 and negative 14/3. One. So what if x equal negative 2? If x equal negative 2, it means fx or f negative 2 equal 2/3 times negative 8 minus plus 14 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, 0 becomes negative 16/3 plus 3 times 14, 42. Third, it becomes 26/3. So the coordinates of the stationary point, negative 2 and 26/3. So next, find the second derivative. Recall that the first derivative, the first derivative 2x squared minus 7 minus 4x to the power negative 2, and second derivative or second differentiation becomes 4x plus 8x to the power negative 3. Hence, or otherwise, determine the nature of each stationary point. Okay, we're gonna determine whether maximum or minimum for x equal 2 and x equal negative 2. Okay. if x equal to, for the second derivative, 4 times 2 plus 8 over 2 cubed equal 8 plus 1 greater than 0. If greater than 0, it means this is minimum. Okay, the minimum value. Okay, how about if negative 2? Negative 2, 4 times negative 2 plus 8 over negative 2 cubed equal negative 8 minus 1. Minus 1 equal negative 9. Okay, less than 0. If less than 0, it means this is maximum. The maximum value. Okay. Next. For number 10, this integration. Okay, we're gonna find this integration. I will change like this. 3x minus 2 power negative 3/2 dx. Okay. Infinity and 1. Okay. The upper limit infinity and the down limit 1. Okay. Let u equal 3x minus 2. It means du equal 3 dx, or 1/3 du equal dx. Okay, so this integration is going to be like this. U power negative 3/2 du and 1/3 in front. This is going to be 1/3 I'm going to find the integration, the outcomes of the integration. U to power negative 1/2 and it's negative 2. Okay, and it becomes negative 2/3 infinity 1 over square root. Square root u, it means 3x 3x minus 2. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna move here. Space equal the integral and the integration negative 2/3. Okay, negative 2/3 times 1 over infinity and 1 minus 1 over 1 because 3 minus 2. Okay, becomes negative 2/3 times 0 minus 1. It becomes 2/3. This is the solution. That one. Next, the diagram shows the curve with equation y equal 1 over 3x minus 2 to the power 3/2. The shaded region is bounded by the curve, the x-axis, and the lines x equal 1 and x equal 2. The shaded region is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. Find the volume of revolutions. Okay, the volume of revolution will pi, okay, times integration y squared dx, okay, or pi times integration this one 1/3x minus 2, okay, integration squared. This is 3/2 here dx, and it becomes pi, okay, integration this is at 1 to 4 upper limit and down limit, and it becomes okay 3x minus 2 3/2 square, it means negative 3 here px. Okay, that one. Now let u equal 3x minus 2. It means du equal 3 dx, and 1/3 du equal dx. So for these integrations, I'm gonna move to this space. Okay, this integration is gonna be pi. Okay, 1 to u to the power negative 3 times 1/3 du. Okay, or it becomes 1/3 pi integrations 1 to 2 u to the power negative 3 u. Okay, 1/3 pi this, and u, okay, the outcomes negative 3 plus 1 negative 2, and this is negative 1/2 in front of you. Okay, and it becomes negative I think negative 1/6, okay, pi and 1/u equal this one 3x minus 2 3x minus 2 square. Okay, okay, the outcomes, yeah, and it becomes negative 1/6 pi and 3 times 2, okay, 3 times 2 6, 4 minus 4 square I mean. Okay. Afterwards 1 over 1 square this. Okay. Equal 1 over 16 minus 1. 1. And it's gonna be negative 1 6 pi times 16 over negative 15. Okay, negative 15 over 16. This one. Okay, and this is afterwards divided. Yeah, by 3, it becomes positive numbers. 5, 32, because it's 1, 2, 2 times 16. Okay, this one. This is the solution. Okay, 5 over 32 pi. The next one, the normal to the curve at the point 1, 1 crosses the y-axis at the point A. Okay, find the y coordinate of A. Okay, recall that the function y equal 1 over 3x minus 2 to the power 3/2, or we may simplify 3x minus 2 or negative 3/2, like this. Okay, now we're going to find dy dx. Yeah, let u equal 3x minus 2. It means du dx equal 3. Okay, and if u equal to x minus 2, it means y equal y equal u to the power negative 3/2. It means dy du equal negative 3/2 u to the power negative 5/2. Okay, this or negative 3/2 times u equal to x minus 2, 3x minus 2 to the power negative 5/2, like this. Okay, now dy dx, according to the chain rule, dy dx equal dy du times du dx. Okay, so it means dy du is 1 negative 3/2, 3/2 times 3x minus 2 negative 5 half to the power negative 5 half times du dx times 3. And it becomes negative 9 half, okay, times 3x minus 2 to the power negative 5 half, like this. Okay, so if x negative 1, if x equal 1, because 1.1, the curve at the 1.1, okay, on point A, if x equal 1, it means this dy dx, okay, if x equal 1, dy dx equal 9 half times 3. 3 minus 2 to the power negative 5 half. This one means 9 half times a negative, it means negative times 1, okay, and the result equal negative 9 half, like this. So now the equation normal, the equation, I'm gonna move to this page. Okay, the equation for normal, like this, y minus 1, okay, because it's 1, 1, y minus 1 equal to nin, okay, so nin times x minus 1. So it becomes y equal x minus 2 nin plus 1, like this, and it's gonna be y x plus 9 over 9, it means 7 nin. Okay. Yeah. So y equal, look this number, okay, 7 nin. So y at A, at this point A, yeah, at this point A, y equal 7, 9, yeah. At A, y equal 7, 9. So the solution is 7, 9. This one, yeah. Coordinate of A, 7, 9. 7 over 9 or 7, 9. Okay, students, if you have any questions regarding my explanations, my demonstrations in this video, you may ask me through my email, hendrikacademy21@gmail.com. Thank you for joining with me on this lesson. Thank you for those students and teachers who did ask me something through my email. Okay, see you